When the world's most powerful nation can't keep its own government open, the consequence echo far beyond Washington. The US shutdown is not just a domestic budget fight, it's a crisis of confidence, a test of democracy, and a warning shot to world that American power can crumble from within. Welcome to Closed Letter Analysis. Today we discuss warning issue of US economic and political shutdown. Now we talk about the anatomy of shutdown. The United States is unique. Its constitution require Congress to authorize government spending every year. When political parties clash and no budget agreement is reached, the government literally run out of legal authority to operate. This lead to the shutdown. Federal workers go unpaid, service halt, and American machinery of governments grind to halt. To outsider, it's look like a political dysfunction. To Americans, it's like paralysis. Great empire fall from external enemies, but sometimes they crumble from political deadlock within. The economic earthquake at home. The US shutdown are not just symbolic, they cost billions. Millions of government workers face difficulties or work without pay. Tourist revenue vanish as a national park close. Small business depend on federal contract lose cash flow. Wall Street grow anxious. Every week of shutdown reduce US GDP growth and shaking the economic foundation. And the average American family sees ripple effect. Delayed tax refunds, suspended federal aid, slower passport approval, and the food insecurity from halted assistance program. For ordinary citizens, the shutdown is not just abstract battle in the Congress, it's a every hardship. For every politician making speeches in Washington, there are families making sacrifice in silence. Now we talk about global financial impact of this shutdown. The US is the engine of the global economy. If you know, its dollar is a reserve currency. Its treasury bonds are the world's safe haven. When Washington shut down, global investors start to panic. Stock market in Asia, Europe, and Middle East respond instantly. Oil prices shift, trade partners hesitate, and central banks worldwide prepare for turbulence. In the prolonged shutdown, doubt emerges about American ability to honor debates. If the crisis overlap with debate ceiling standoff, the US could flirt with difficult. That scenario wouldn't just shake Wall Street, it would send shockwave across every financial hub from London to Dubai to Shanghai. If the US dollar is a bloodstream of global trade, then a shutdown is a clot waiting to trigger a financial heart attack. What is your opinion? Now we talk about geopolitical impact, America's credibility at risk. Shutdown send a dangerous message to abroad. Alliance sees an American unable to govern itself. Advisories see opportunity. While diplomats scramble with reduced resources, China and Russia seize the narratives. How can America lead the world when it can't lead itself? This is a major question. Arises from this consequence. Military readiness also take a hit. Soldiers may continue service but without guaranteed pay. Training programs slow, cyber defense efforts are disrupted, even intelligence operations abroad lose funding. This creates opening for advisories in hotspots like Europe, East Europe, the South China Sea, and the Middle East. Power is not just about weapon, it's about reliability, and the shutdown tell the world that Washington can switch off its leadership overnight. Now we talk about American image in the world. The United States has long marketed itself as a model of democracy, efficiency, and stability, but shut down chip away at that brand. To European, it's look like a dysfunction. To developing nations, it's look like a fragility. To authorities, regimes, it's look like proof that democracy is messy, chaotic, and unreliable. And the United Nations rival weaponize American shutdown to undermine its credibility. For global citizens, it raises uncomfortable questions. If the US can't govern itself, why should it govern global order? This is a major question. Superpower don't close for business, yet every shutdown make America look like a Gantt that can't tie its own hands. Now we talk about global trends and shifting order. The shutdown does not happen in isolation. It's a interest intersects with global trade negotiations pause, humanitarian aid programs are frozen, international climate or health initiative stall. In the vacuum, power like China accelerate their Belt and Road projects, offering aid and investment over where America hesitates. The longer the US stay distracted by internal battles, the more the world adopt. Countries start diversifying away from dollars, regional alliance deepen without American involvement. In short, every shutdown accelerate the multipolar world order, reducing Washington's centrality. The 21st century is not waiting for USA to get its act together. Every shutdown is a lost chapter in the book of US leadership. Now we talk about impact on Middle East wars. Now here is the impact of US shutdown felt more urgently than the Middle East, where conflict demand constant American attention. In shutdown, US diplomatic mission in the region slow down. Aid to allies like Israel, Jordan, Egypt faces delay. Military coordination in the ongoing conflicts, whether the counter-terrorism operations or monitoring ceasefire loses momentum. Humanitarian aid for war zones such as Gaza, Syria, or Yemen is disrupted. A war seeing already dire crisis. Most danger US advisories in the region, such as Iran-backed militaries, extremist group, or rival powers, see opportunity as a distracted American means less oversight, fewer patrol, and weaker deterrence. This can embolden aggression, escalate violation, or destabilize fragile case fires. In the Middle East, even 1 week of American absence can change the balance of power. Wars don't pause because Washington can't pass a budget. Now we talk about the human consequence globally. From a refugee aid delayed in the Lebanon to embassy service halted in America. The shutdown reaches ordinary people around the world, students waiting for US visa, families shaking, and humanitarian projects all feel the sting of the Washington deadlock. Meanwhile, advisories spin propaganda telling the world that America can't be trusted. The shutdown become a weapon, not just a policy failure. Every closed office in Washington is an open opportunity for America's rivals. This is a true, this is an opportunity for US and US rivals like China and Russia. Now we talk about lessons for democracies. Shutdown also serve as a cautionary tales. They show the political polarization, if unchecked, can paralyze governance. Democracy everywhere take note. Division without compromise lead to dysfunction. For authoritarian leaders itself easy proof to their citizens. Look at America. It is the system you want. No, democracy doesn't just need for free speech. It's need functioning governance. Without it, freedom look like chaos. The future risk of normalization dysfunction. The danger of frequent shutdown is normalization. If they become a routine, a line will plan for unreliable America. Rival will push harder, testing Washington's limits. Economies worldwide will hedge against the dollar, and perhaps boast of all Americans themselves may lose faith in their government's ability to function. This is a boast for US government. If this dysfunction coincide with a default, the result could be catastrophe, triggering a global regime or financial collapse. Empires don't fall overnight. They erode through repeated crises that make weakening look like normal. The US federal shutdown is not just a democratic problem, it's a geopolitical tremble. Its economy undermine US global image and disrupt critical conflict in the Middle East. War not wait, market don't wait, the world doesn't wait. Every shutdown is US pressing pause while the rest of world keep playing. The message is clear. Until Washington solve its own deadlock, the world will continue to wonder if the United States can still lead. Shutdown may end in week, but their chaos last for years because in the global politics, credibility is currency, and every shutdown spend Americans' reputation. What is your opinion? Comment in comment box and comment box. Give your opinions and subscribe closed letter analysis. Thank you. Bye.